Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a 6-step infographics in just PowerPoint. So as you can see here, I have created a 3D circular track over here, and it is looking something like this. As you can see here, one part of this 3D circle is representing an arrow, and in this way you can see that the presentation start from the tail, means I'm talking about this gray part, and after the green part then blue, and then this color, then yellow and red, terminating on red. So when we talk about the gray part, this is the starting point of this animation, starting point of this infographics, and the red is the ending point of the infographics. So let's see how it can be created in PowerPoint. So I have created a blank slide over here. If you don't have any idea how we can do that, let me show you how we can do. So just click on insert option. Here you will find new slide option. Just click on that and choose a blank slide over here, and a blank slide is added here successfully. So this is how you can add a blank slide in your presentation. Now blank slide is here. We just have to start. Now what we'll do, we'll start creating the circular 3D shape over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on insert option, and after that I will choose shape option, and in the shape option you will find a donut option over here. So just click on this donut option and press Ctrl and Shift together and drag this outward to make a donut like this. Okay, now what I'm going to do, now you will find a yellow dot over here. You just have to slide this yellow dot to the left so that you can make the circular path thin. And after this you just have to make it no outline by clicking on this shape outline option and choose this no outline option over here. Now all done. Now what I'm going to do, I will choose a rectangle option inside shape and drag it over here like this. Now make it no outline, and let me change the shape fill of this particular rectangle and put it over here. Now what you have to do, you just have to click on rotate option over here. Here you will find more rotation option. Just click on that, and now you have to put speed 60 over here and press enter. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate this shape, means green rectangle. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it, and as you can see here I have duplicated. And now click on rotate option and say flip horizontal like this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click over here and click on guides. Okay, so I will put this guide over here. Now again click on this rectangle, press Ctrl D to duplicate it. You just have to make it horizontal like this. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will put this rectangle just in the middle, and I will slightly adjust these two rectangular shape over here. Means what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all these shape and click on arrange option. Here you will find align option. Just click on that and say align middle, and again I'm going to click on align option and say align center. Now all the shape is being positioned in center. Now what I'm going to do, I will select all this shape by pressing Ctrl A to the keyboard you should not select this sample over here. So as you can see, one more thing I just want to discuss. When I press Ctrl A and select all these shape, and now I'm clicking on format option, then the merge shape option will be disappear from here. So why it is happening? Because of this group, I have selected this group over here. So whenever you select a group and try to do changes with the merge shape options, then it can't be done. So what I'm going to do, press Ctrl and deselect this group, and now the merge shape option is appear, and we can make some changes over here. So what I'm going to do, I will click over here and say fragment. Now only 6 part we want here, rest of the part we have to delete. So which part we want? We just want this part, this part, this part, this part, this part, and this part. So what I'm going to do, I will click Control on the click keyboard and deselect this one by clicking on this option. Same we will do with this, and we will deselect this, we will deselect this shape, we will deselect this shape, and finally we will deselect this shape, and rest of the thing we are going to delete. And for that I'm going to press delete button on keyboard. Now you can see we are done with this particular shape. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will click on insert option over here and choose a rectangle option. Just drag a rectangle over here, select this shape, press Ctrl and select this shape. Under merge shape option, say subtract. After this, just click on insert option. Here you will find a isosceles triangle option. Just click on that, press Ctrl and shift and drag it here to make a pointer of the arrow. Now what I'm going to do, make it no outline and slightly going to rotate it like this. Just click on, and slightly I'm going to rotate it in this way, as you can see. Okay, now what you have to do, you just have to click on Control button and select this green part and make it union by clicking on union option over here. Got it? Now what we are going to do, we will just select all these parts and press Ctrl G to group it. Okay, you have to fill the different section of different fragment of the circle to from the different colors. Like I'm going to choose this particular one, and for this one, what I'm going to use the red color over here. Okay, now for this one, what I'm going to use some yellow color over here. For this section or the fragment, what I'm going to use eyedropper and choose this color. For this section or fragment, what I'm going to use, I will again choose eyedropper option over here and choose this color. Now for this fragment, what I'm going to use, I'll choose eyedropper and I'll choose a green color for this, which I have already done here. Now finally for this one, what I'm going to use this particular color from the color sample. Okay, so this is completed. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this shape and click on format option, effect option over here, 3D rotation. Just click on 3D format option over here and make the height 88 pt. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on 3D rotation option, just click on preset option and choose isometric top up option from here like this. Now you can see the top is very sharp, so we have to make it rectangular. So to do this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on 3D format option and make the width to 0 pt like this. And now you can see the effect over here. So now you have to rotate this like this to get a perfect effect. Okay, so this is done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the background format color, background color, like I'm going to use a black one, this one. Okay, so now what you have to do, we have to copy this text group over here by pressing Ctrl C, and we will paste it over here like this. Okay, we will paste it over here like this. Now you can see for the text what I'm using here, I have to make the text left aligned, like I'm going to use this particular option. And for your text option, what I'm going to use, I'm going to make it left aligned, like I'm going to select all this text, I'm going to select all this text and making it left aligned like this. So click on animation, and here you will find animation pan. So I'm going to select all these animation and press delete to delete it. Now I will show you how to add animation on each particular shape group, so that you can have a clear idea about using animation tab in PowerPoint. Okay, so this is the text part. This is nothing but a shape only, a circular shape, and within this circular shape I'm using icon like this. You can use different types of icon and use this icon by, I have downloaded these icons from the film.com. I will give the link in the description, so please, after watching this video, just check it out and download the icon and use in your project. So what I'm going to do, I'm again going to copy this shape group and paste it over here. So before doing that, I will show you how to add animation. So I will choose this one and click on animation tab over here. Here you will find a wipe option, and the direction should be from right, this one. And now for this shape, what I'm going to use, I'm going to use zoom option over here. And for this text group, what I'm going to use, again going to use wipe option, and the size is from and the direction is from right. Okay, so let me open the animation pane over here and close the format background pane. So now you can see I'm using it after previous and giving to after previous like this. For this one, for this bigger shape, I'm again going to use zoom option over here, and I will put this in starting, and after that on click. Okay, this is done. So let me see how it's working. Oh, it's working very fine. So what I'm going to right click over here and send it to back. Now it's ready to copy this text group over here and paste it many different times to achieve our result. Like I'm going to press Ctrl D to duplicate it and paste it over here. Again I'm going to press Ctrl D to again I'm going to press Ctrl D to duplicate it and paste it over here. What I'm going to do, I will put this over here and I'm going to bring this shape over here like this. Okay, now again I'm going to select all these shapes and press Ctrl D to duplicate it and paste it over here like this. Now here you have to make some changes, like I'm going to put this over here, and after this I'm going to put the circle over here and after that I will use this text group. Now what I'm going to use, I will again copy this, means I'm going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D and put it over here like this. Again press Ctrl D and put it over here. This is 2, 3, 4 and 5 should be here on the place of 6, means we have to shift this 6 animation on the place of 5. So what I'm going to do, I will choose this, press Ctrl, choose this and drag it at the position of 5. Now I think it's fine. First one, this is second one, this is third one, this is fourth one. Yeah, it's right. This is fifth one, this is seventh one. But there is problem. This is animating after the animation of all these rest text groups. So what I'm going to do, I will group it to one group. Like I'm going to choose this one and will make press Ctrl G to make it a single group, and after that I will apply a wipe animation on that, and the direction should be from right like this, and I will put this after previous and put this 19 group over here. Now let's play it and see how it's working. No, I think there is some problem with this, guys. I have to put it over here, and let's play it. Okay, so I have to shift it one more place, I think over here. So now it's worked fine, I think. Yeah, it's working very fine. So what you have to do, you just have to change the color of these circles, and along with the color you have to change the icons of these shapes. So that's it, guys. It's taking a lot of time and a lot of effect, lot of effort. So guys, if you like our work, then please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever we upload a new video on this channel. So this is how we can create this type of infographics in just PowerPoint. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching this video.